What's going on, everyone? Today we are making some lightweight mods for GT500. We got the Billet Pro Shop lightweight radiator support brackets, and here they are. Alright, so here they are, just the brackets. The driver and passenger side, super lightweight aluminum. You can hear them compared to this heavy, bulky thing. Probably a good, I don't know, 15 to 20 pounds. I don't have my scale else I'd weigh it. Alright, so now I'm gonna get them put on and then I'll show you that. Alright, so we got the brackets installed on the radiator underneath the car, so it's kind of difficult, but you can see right here we got coffee over there tying up brake lines, making sure we don't die,
making sure we don't bleed out.
Then of course the other side over there, now we don't have a big old bulky ugliness right here. Saved 15-20 pounds or so, and I'll let the jack down out of the way, and get out of the way, Jack. Oh, and so yeah, there it is, all done, wrapped up, 15 pounds lighter, 20 pounds lighter, whatever it is, good to rock and roll.